Hi, today I will show you how to make fireproof material. What we need? We need flour, powdered sugar, cornstarch, baking soda and some water. Okay, now we have to mix all of the ingredients together. Now we need to add some water and mix it up very well. Okay, so now we are left with clear solution. It looks kind of like a milk. We have to leave it aside for something around 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes we have to pour it down on a flat surface. I chose a plate. And now we wait something around a week for water to evaporate. So after 1 week we end up with something like this. So now we can put it to the test. Is it really fireproof? Now I transfer our piece of material on a stand to check it, is it really fireproof. Here I've got a burner. It can reach up to 2000 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot. Okay, so now I just have to turn it on. We can see it's burned, but on the other side there is not even a single piece of carbon. Pretty cool, right? Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have a proposition what I can do in next video, please write it in a comment. Bye!